Guys, good morning, good morning. So, papasok na naman tayo sa duty guys. Yan, sharing araw. Make up na sharing araw guys. So, today is Saturday morning. Good morning sa inyo guys. Medyo malakas yung ulan kagabi kaya basa ang daan. Bili muna tayo ng malunggay guys. Malunggay pandesal daw guys. Masarap daw ito.
Malunggay, pandesal.
So ganito talaga pag isa kang gwardiya. Maagang gumising. Maagang pumasok. Baka hindi tayo malate. So guys, andito na ako guys. Nice. It's a world. Okay guys. Hanggang dito na lang guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and share. Salamat. Have a good day.